Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this smartband. You can check the battery level on the smartband in two ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces basically give you that information. So if you wake up the screen on your smartband and open the watch face menu, you can find the watch face that provides the battery level. For example, this one has it, and this one also has it. So find the watch face you want to use, and it has the battery level information. Tap on it to select it, and once it's applied, you will see the battery level right here, as you can see. And the other way is to do it through the settings. So swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it, and here tap on the battery option. As you can see, right here it tells us the battery level. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.